So Angela Rayner has just dodged £40,000 in stamp duty, while you and I are being bled dry by every new tax that Rachel thieves can dream up of. 40 grand. Not 400 quid, not 4,000, £40,000. Gone. Wiped off the bill. Was it legal? Was it dodgy? Was it clever? I don't really care. Although it does probably make her a bit of a hypocrite. It's all just noise. The point is this. She didn't pay. And you would have had to. And why didn't she pay? Because she knows exactly how to play the game. Because she's not just a politician. She's actually a property investor. She's long been flipping council houses for profit. She's also now got a portfolio worth over £1 million, while most of us are struggling to get by day to day. And now she's saving 40 grand in stamp duty with a neat little manoeuvre that her advisor probably advised her months ago about. She's actually protecting her own money while her mate Rachel Reeves taxes everything in sight. Your rent, your income, your pension, your bloody kids' school meals. The list goes on and on and on. Say you're buying your first buy-to-let for 200k. The stamp duty alone is nearly 11.5 grand. Gone before you've even picked up the keys. Now scale that up to an £800,000 property like Angela did. You're looking then at a huge bill, which is easily a full year's wage packet for most people. Or a car, or a deposit on another property. So of course she found a way to dodge it. And she found the way to dodge it legally too. And if you're not learning how to use these same strategies, you're the mug paying full whack while they laugh behind closed doors. Angela isn't new to this game. She's already made huge profits. And she's done it while preaching to you about tax dodgers and so on. Does that make her a hypocrite? Yeah, probably does. Meanwhile, Rachel Reeves is taxing everything in sight. She's hit landlords, she's gone after pensioners, and she's piled on farmers. She's even clawed money away from disabled children's support. And she's not going to stop. She's definitely going to find more taxes tomorrow. And definitely more by the budget. But here's the question that nobody's asking. If Angela Rayner really believed in those taxes, why on earth didn't she pay hers? Stamp duty is one of the biggest cash cows for the Treasury. In the last year, it brought in over £15 billion. So it's a huge cost when anyone buys any property. And there are perfectly legal ways to reduce or even avoid stamp duty. Every big developer knows them. Every sharp accountant and advisor knows them too. Things like company purchases, trusts, reliefs, timing and structure. Angela just used one of them. She planned ahead and she took her name off the deeds of her other property and she avoided paying 40 grand. It's not magic. It's just knowledge. It's just good advice. And that's what separates the winners from the losers in this game. Because here's the reality. It's not about politics. It's not about left versus right. It's about who understands the rules of the system. Those who know save money. Those who don't pay. Now let's bring it back to you. If you do nothing, you're going to keep paying. You'll hand over thousands of pounds in stamp duty anytime you're going to buy a house. You'll be dragged into higher tax brackets by fiscal drag. You'll watch your income shrink in real terms as your bills rise. But if you act, if you learn the same strategies as Angela's advisors have given her, you can BRR, buy, refurbish, rent, refinance, and recycle your cash again and again and again and build up a huge portfolio. You can structure your deals smartly so you're not overpaying on tax. You can raise money so you're not capped by your own money, your own savings in your account. And right now, the opportunities in the market are massive. Landlords are panicking and selling up. Prices are dropping daily. Motivated sellers are everywhere. This is the best buying window in well over a decade. But only people who actually know how to act will know what to do and how to take advantage of this window. Most people are going to sit here and moan. They're right, to be fair, but the wealthy don't waste time moaning. They learn the rules and then they use the rules. They turn the unfairness into opportunity. And that's exactly what Angela did. She didn't just sit around whining about taxes. She took action, she structured her deal, and she saved 40 grand. And you can either sit there on the sidelines getting angry about the hypocrisy, or you can start playing the same game. And if you want to do that, that's exactly why we built Property School. Because unless you learn the rules, you're going to keep losing. We show you inside exactly how to raise money, how to buy property at auction with confidence, how to use BRR to build a portfolio from scratch, how to protect yourself from tax traps before they wipe out your profit, how to build a personal brand so investors come to you. We've got training on all the different strategies, BRR, SA, deal packaging, no money down, commercial conversions, everything's in there. Plus, we've got a fantastic community of real investors making all this stuff work right now. And you can get access to all of this for just 50p a day. Cancel anytime. There's no ongoing contract, so there's no risk for you. Angela just saved 40 grand in one deal. You can learn how to save, make, and protect your money too. All for less than a coffee a week. Think about that. Less than one coffee per week. So, here's your choice. Keep playing by their rules. Keep paying every new tax that they throw at you and keep falling further behind. Or learn how to play the game like they do and learn the strategies they use behind closed doors. Protect yourself, grow your wealth. Come check us out. Go to property.school/go. You can type that into any browser. Just go and do that right now. property.school/go and click join. Come check us out today. Like I said, it's cancel anytime because the people in power are already in property. Think about that. The question is, when will you be? And one last tip for you. When you look at a deal, don't just focus on the discount or the rent. Look at the structure. Is it in a personal name or is it owned by a company? The structure often saves you more money than the negotiation. And that's how the pros do it. That's what Angela did. And that's what you'll learn inside Property School. So, don't just sit there raging at politicians. Don't just moan about unfairness. Turn it around and use it. Turn it into opportunity. Angela's already shown you the play. Now it's your turn. So head on over to property.school/go. Type into any browser. Head over there now. Join today. And I'll see you inside.